Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So how to fix Mage Arena keeps crashing on Steam. So let's just say I have the game, okay? I'm gonna use a sample game for your reference. In here, go to your library. Now click on the Mage Arena game right there. And on the gear icon on the right side, you can click on Manage. Click on Properties for this one. And then looking for installed files. Click on Verify integrity of the game files. What it does is, it really checks on your game files and look for corrupt files and fixed it for you. That's the power of Steam. And then try to know the game if it's crashing. This is step number 2. For step number 2, click on the browse files right there, like so, and look for the exe file. Now if you found the exe file, which is going to be this one for Mage Arena, so right click on that one, go to properties, go for game compatibility, make sure that this is running Windows 7. Alright, click on OK, click on apply, and that's step number 2. Now for some reason the problem is still persisting. Now go to general for this one. In here, type in -dx11 and basically save it, but just by restarting Steam. So what's next? If the problem is still persisting, maybe your drivers are out of date. I'm going to teach you how to update them. So go back on your desktop. Let me just go back on mine. So this is going to be my desktop. So to update your drivers, you can just go to Device Manager right there. This is under Control Panel. Looking for these drivers, should be this one. Looking for everything here, just right click and update. As well as display drivers, especially your GPU. Update that one. However, this doesn't fully update it, so what you can do right now is open up your GPU software. If you have NVIDIA, just look for NVIDIA software. If you have AMD like mine, do the same thing I did. Right click anywhere on the screen and look for AMD. And now check for update for this one. As you can see, mine is up to date, meaning there is no pending updates. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.